Alright, y'all, this is my redneck tractor. I'm rebuilding pretty soon. Here's the muffler. I need to tighten up the steering wheel a little bit. I think it has to do with this bar. See, this bar moves like that. I don't think it's supposed to do that. And then I need to get the air filter. Just like that. Just like that. It's 11 horse. See, it's built tough. I built it during high school. I'll put the hood down so y'all can see it. Got a bicycle light on the front of it. I need to redo. See. I had to give it a bath, but. And then. Back here is where you put the battery. And here's that light again. And then let's see, it'll turn over. Tell me what y'all think. Bye.